Welcome back. This is a follow-up to Variables 2.1. So welcome to Variables 2.2 with floating point. I already started this off with the question that we're going to print out, which is X amount of people purchased tickets for the state fair. The adult price for tickets were this much and children tickets were this much. The ticket counter made a certain amount total. How many children and adults bought a ticket? So since we're using raw input, it's gonna be a prompt. So I already set the variables right here. So we're just gonna finish up with the formula and then move on to putting all of this and all the stuff from the old 2.1 variables video into a function. So let's go ahead and get started with this. Do adult ticket price equals, let's see, adult price times people. Okay, and for the subtraction total, it's going to equal adult ticket price subtract total earned. And on the next part, I'm going to do subtract the people will be equal to the adults subtract the children. So the adult price subtract, since we don't know exactly how many attended yet. Okay, so the children attended is going to equal subtotal divided by subpeople, which messed up there. Okay. And for the adults attended, it's going to equal people subtract the children that attended. Okay. So let's go on to the next part. We're going to have to print out the children first. So print the number of children that attended, and do the percent %d and percent here with CA. And then copy and paste that. Change this one to adults. And there we go. Alright, we gotta make sure that we float all of these. So go ahead and do that. And float this one. Pretty much float anything that any of the variables that you declared up here. So do adult price, float that one. And float the children's price too. Okay, people, let's float that one. Alright, let's go ahead and go through this to make sure they don't have any spelling errors or capitalization. So all these were already set, there we go. And 18. Alright, change this to lowercase. Seems like everything else looks good, so save it. And we're going to open up prompt 2 if you called it that. Alright, for the people, we're going to do 650. The children's price, let's make that $6. And the adult price, $13. And the total earned from the ticket booth, 5,020. And let's just put a raw input in here. Just declare it's done. So go back and do this all over again. So 650 people, children's price for the tickets to $7, full price 13, and amount of money made ticket booth. Okay, so we have the number of children, which is 571, and the number of adults that attended is 78. So if there's any problems with this, you find out later, just go ahead and comment below and let me know so I can fix the formula and try to work on it a little bit more. So since we have the prompt 2 file made, and it's going to contain this question and have these answers, prompt 2 is going to be the same thing, where we have all the input and percentage from the problem in 2.1 variables and floating point. And we're going to take all of this and we're going to put it inside of a function, and that will be on the next video, so I'll see you then.